Meaning of deal breaker.
Deal breaker.
Deal breaker.
Deal breaker.
Deal breaker. A deal breaker is something that is considered to be a crucial or decisive factor in a particular situation, often a relationship or business deal. It refers to a non-negotiable condition or requirement that, if not met, would cause the entire deal to fall apart or the relationship to end. Deal breakers can vary depending on the individual or situation, but they are typically deal-breaking because of their significant impact on the outcome. Ultimately, deal breakers are important to identify and communicate to avoid wasted time or misunderstandings.